Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how we can move or how we can copy worksheets from one workbooks to another workbooks without losing any format or layout. So you are new in my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And I want to hear something from you. Please write in the comment section. So let's begin. Here you can see I have created two Excel workbook. One is destination and the other one is source. So we will move sheet from source to destination without losing any format or layout. So here you can see that the destination workbook is blank totally and only contains one sheet, which is sheet 1. And the source workbook is contain two workbooks. One is employee details and the other one is salary details. So we will move the salary details into the destination workbook without losing any format, any sheet name. Okay, so for this you have to right click here and click on move or copy, and then select the salary details sheet, and then select to book its destination. So move to end, so it will move after sheet 1. Press OK. Here you can see that it's moved from after sheet 1. Okay, and in the source workbook it will become one worksheet. Previously it was 2. So that's it for this video.